Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name on Facebook. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few important guidelines to keep in mind. You can update your name, but Facebook has a policy that restricts changes to once every 60 days. So, choose your new name carefully. To start, you'll need to navigate to your account settings, which is where all the magic happens for personalizing your profile. 1, 2, 3. Once you're logged into Facebook, whether on your mobile device or desktop, locate the menu icon, typically represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this, then scroll down to find and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. From there, you'll see an option at the top that says See More in Account Center. This is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Meta accounts, including your Facebook profile name. 5, 6, 8. Inside the Account Center, you'll want to select Profiles and then choose your specific Facebook profile. Next, tap on the Name option. Here, you can input your new first name, any middle name you wish to include, and your last name. After carefully entering your desired name, click the Review Change button. Facebook will then show you a preview. If everything looks correct, confirm by clicking Save Changes to finalize your update. 5, 8, 12. Before you finalize your name change, it's crucial to remember a few key rules. You can only change your name once every 60 days, so be absolutely sure of your choice. Facebook's policy prohibits unusual capitalization, numbers, symbols, or offensive terms. Your name should always reflect your real identity. In some cases, Facebook might even ask for official identification to verify your new name, ensuring authenticity across the platform. 1, 2, 4, 9.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.